So we're gonna make these really cute chapstick holders that can be clipped on pretty much anything. And so first you'll wanna get one piece of tape that is like 7-ish inches and fold it hot dog style down the middle onto itself. And so you have one strip, and then you're gonna take one of your 3-inch pieces and roll it backwards onto itself to make a cylinder. And you wanna make sure that this is wide enough for your chapstick to fit inside, so see if it fits. And then we're going to take our roll and our little strip and stick it to the bottom like this. And then you're gonna fold this up and make sure you have enough space for your chapstick to still fit in the middle. And then we're gonna take our last piece of tape and we're going to get our little ring and put it on the top and fold this top part backwards. So you have a shape like this. And then to secure everything together, we're gonna put our last piece of tape on top and just wrap it around so everything is secure. And then after that, your chapstick fits right in and we have our finished product.